We're going to be making our nacho plate now. Okay, so here's what we're going to have in it. As far as we're going to have shredded cheese, meat. You can have chicken, pork, brisket, whatever. This is half a bag of Clancy's chips. And then you're going to have green chilies, onions, a little cilantro, a salsa cup, and queso. I'm going to weigh this out so you guys can see how much goes in there, okay? So we're going to start with the cheese. The cheese is going to weigh about 2.93, about 3 ounces of cheese. Okay, pause. We're going to do 4.5 ounces of smoked pork. All right, and we're going to do about 6.5 ounces of chips. This bag is 13 ounces, so it's going to be half of that. So here you go. It's half a bag of chips. All right, let's get to it. Okay, cool. All right, first we want to make sure everything is super hot because once we pull the chips out, we need to put this whole thing together and get it out immediately. So we're going to take our meat and get it on the grill like so. In the meantime, we're also going to put down our onions and our peppers. Put the onions down first as they take longer to cook with the peppers on top like so. Okay. Now, as far as cooking this pork, it is already seasoned. However, there is one more thing that we're going to use to season this, and that's going to be the squirt bottle of salsa water. This is to flavor it with our special flavor here. So that's a little bit of salsa water. It also doubles as steam to help cook it faster. We're going to throw a little classic water on there just to get that steaming and getting that cooked a little faster, okay? All right, now, while that's doing its thing, we're going to take 1 minute on the timer here. We're going to put our Clancy's chips right in here to make sure they're super hot, which will help melt the cheese. Ready? Go. Put another basket there to make sure they're completely engulfed in the fresh oil. Go. All right, we are at that minute. I've been chopping that up a little bit. We're at the minute. We're going to get this pulled out. Get that excess oil off of there. We're going to get these nachos onto the plate. Okay, like so. Now, boom. It's time to get the cheese sprinkled on there. Then the queso blanco. Strip it all across it. Cover it. Make sure every chip gets a little bit of cheese on it. Like so. Now it's time to add the hot pork. Sprinkle it all over it. Like so. Then immediately after, we'll get all these caramelized, delicious onions and peppers, and we'll get those sprinkled all across the plate as well. Finally, a side of salsa will go on the side, and a sprinkle of cilantro to make it look pretty. There you go. You can add guacamole and sour cream for an extra charge. This is also the exact same method of doing the loaded French fries as well.